Hey guys, I'm Daniel from Dull Deer Media, and today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. I'm actually not going to talk too much about anything. I just kind of want your guys' opinion. I'm still going to be making respiratory videos. I'm also going to be making history and other random ones, but I kind of want your guys' feedback. What kind of content do you want me to make? Now, I just recently purchased the drone, the Mavic Air 2, and I got myself a pretty cool gimbal. Links are going to be down in the description if you want to know more about these things. But I want to shoot some cool shots. I live in Sacramento, and I think there's a lot of cool hidden gems in Sacramento that many people don't know about. So I want to make a little mini series, Hidden Gems in California or Hidden Gems in Sacramento, and do some cool drone footage in these places and just kind of get your guys' feedback on this video in particular. There's two ways I can make this video. There's two different formats. One format is where I show you guys B-roll footage, which is footage that I took of the place and kind of talk about it, give a little bit of history behind the place and just describe it. Would you guys want me to do more of that? Or would you just want some music in the background and have some really cool shots of the place? Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, anything's gonna change, anything can change. But let me know what you guys think about this, this particular video. I got some really cool footage of the Fair Oaks Bridge. And the Fair Oaks Bridge is my first place that I'm gonna shoot. This bridge is a place that everybody in Sacramento kind of likes, but people who visit Sacramento don't know much about it. It's located in the city of Fair Oaks in Sacramento County, and honestly, this place is absolutely magnificent. You have the American River downstream that's going away towards Sacramento, and you have bluffs on both sides. There's beautiful landscapes. You will see deer, you'll see wild chickens around. It's just overall an amazing place to go. These trees here, if you see the footage coming up, they actually have roots coming out from the cliffs. Very cool thing to see. So if you're ever in Sacramento, check this out. Now, here's some cool shots I got with my drone. If you guys like this, hit a like button and please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Stick around for the amazing shots I got on my drone.